cannot afford those club facilities, who value the fresh air, the trees.
Losing Nature is a song about an area of Jungle Park that is taken over and built on by a developer. It is performed by Soft Touch, recorded and mixed by Wong Lip Key, and filmed by Khairil M Bahar. You can watch it on Friday the 27th of October at 8:25 p.m. at the Black Box, Publika, as part of the Kuala Lumpur Eco Film Festival, which consists of 83 new international films about the environment and the threats to the natural world. It lasts all week from 23rd to 29th of October. Check it out, KLEFF.my.
Giving